concern tonight is not necessarily about dirty or messy streets, but possibly flooded streets.
Right.
Yeah, the big issue is west central parts of Allegheny County. That's where we've had some incredible amounts of rain. Now, where the flash flood warning is, which is this blue box, we call these a polygon, South Fayette, almost to Bethel Park, pretty much up to Swickley Heights to Robinson. This is where the flash flood warning continues until 8:30 tonight, so just over 2 hours left on that. But the heaviest of the rain has started to shift just outside of that polygon. So you get to Hopewell, that's where we see some pretty hefty rainfall. You get to the other side of Moon, crossing over into southern parts of Beaver County. That's where we have some more of that heavy rain. And then also, as you travel along 22 through northern Washington, so this is north of Smith, and as you get into areas like McDonald and westward, where we're seeing still some very heavy rain outside of the flash flood warning, which is something we need to watch for because we have some flooding adjacent to it. And just looking at this radar, there's one thing I want to check in on real quick. Sometimes you see some things pop up and you want to just make sure. And yeah, we're good. That's just some heavy rain. I just wanted to make sure there with some of the things that you see. Sometimes a radar feature looks like something and you want to make sure. So we're looking at lighter rain right now in the Polygon area, steady rain around Pittsburgh right now, and overall the worst of the rain is in far western Allegheny County, southern Beaver, northern Washington counties. So zooming out, that's where the heftiest precipitation is. We have another batch that seems to be creeping up, or trying to at least, up into the ridges. So Garrett County, Somerset County again, but so far that's been staying on the lighter side or more manageable side. We're going to see this rain starting to come to an end over the coming hours. And I think as we head into tomorrow, most of the day is going to be fairly quiet. It's tomorrow evening where we could see maybe a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, and then tomorrow night into the early part of Friday where we could have some thunderstorms that get kind of gusty. So 58 tonight, showers ending overnight, and tomorrow we're going to see some sunshine. I think most of the day is going to be dry, maybe an isolated shower later in the day. It's going to be warm, and it is going to be on the sticky side, I'll tell you that much. So air of mugginess, and that's going to help lead to some storm potential as the forecast continues. So we get into Thursday night and pre-dawn Friday. That's where we see the potential for some stronger storms. So a possible KDKA first alert weather day there. I think Saturday is an improving day. We get in on some sunshine Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and we go from the upper 60s back to the 70s by the middle of next week, and some thunderstorms still on the schedule a week from now.